Behold, one of the best upgrades you can do to your scooter to make it go faster that it was ever meant to. I know this video is a little late. I literally can't record anything. It's getting nighttime too early and it's getting cold outside. I'm freezing. Alright, let's get to the video. It's time to put a Vesc on the G2 Master. I've been waiting for this for so long. This is the first Vesc. I need two because it's a dual motor scooter. I already fixed the power wires because they were too short. They were like this long. It will be mounted like this. I'll put the Vescs back to back. Tightest fit ever, but they fit. And I want to keep them as compact as possible because in the future I want a big battery. I want a battery as big as the deck. That's for another video. Yeah, this is the one. The G2 Pro, we do not talk about the G2 Pro. Oh yes! Wires are all mixed up. Awesome! It doesn't even turn on anymore. So first of all, I'm gonna wire the throttle. This is the 3.3 volts, the ground, and ADC 1 switch. I have to figure out how that works though. Oh boy, this is gonna be dangerous. Nah, this is not safe. This is not safe. This is much safer. Never do this at home. This is dangerous. So now it should work. So I figured out how the switch works. I had to connect a throttle to it because Vesc is trying to kill you. If it doesn't have throttle signal, it just full throttles. So I connect the battery. It's on. This is the switch wire and this is the ground wire. If I short them, it's off. If I disconnect it again, it's on. I don't think I need anything else from here. I will maybe need ADC2 if I want to configure e-brake. I'll fix the G2 Pro when... Never. I'm joking. I will fix the G2 Pro one day. The long arc wire is done. I must solder the phase wires. This wire will handle plenty of current. The phase wires are soldered. Now I will just insulate them. Alright, the wiring is done. I didn't actually record the process because it was really boring, like it was just sticking wires together. It's time for a more exciting part now. Tuning. Vesc app. Let's connect the battery. Okay, this is the main one. So let's set up the motors. It's a large outrunner, 15 motor poles. It's a 14S, 20 amp hours. It's actually 20.8, but it's alright. Okay, battery current max, I'll say 25 per ESC. Direct drive. Alright. Let's see. Alright. Both of them work. Ain't no way, bro. Now just running detection, finding out the best settings for the motors. I'll just say the defaults are not the best settings. You have to actually tune it, but for now it's fine. Okay, it detected the Hall sensors. 84 amps per motor. Nah, I ain't running that much. They're spinning backwards, bruh. I'll go with a safer 75 amps. No regen for now. Okay, field weakening. Damn. Well, this is now a sleeper scooter. Nah, cause I gotta try this outside. Okay, it's time to do a top speed run on the G2 Master with Vesc. This guy got a flat tire. Oh boy. Oh. It's flying, bro. 6-7. I wanna do a top speed down the bridge. Oh boy. Bombo club. This is tough. Bro put glow sticks on his bike. I can do stoppies now. My front brake is stronger. I don't know why. Why is my front brake so strong now? Damn, bro, what happened? Toughest tire known to me. Bro! There's no way bro's wheeling with a flat tire. Do a flip! He finally fixed his tire. He no longer has a flat tire. Why does it have to rain? So in conclusion, the G2 Master now goes about 75 kilometers per hour. 6.7! It's faster than stock. With the stock controller, I only got about 62 kilometers per hour and 6.7 on the display, but 62 on GPS. With the Vesc, I got 75 kilometers per hour on GPS. In the future, I will have a bigger battery and possibly bigger motors. Stay tuned for that.